Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India, being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 42 years of publication in the year 2022. Here are some highlights of some important news. India First Life Insurance files draft papers to raise funds via IPO. India First Life Insurance has filed preliminary papers with capital markets regulator SEBI to raise funds through an IPO. According to merchant banking sources, the IPO size could be between 2,000 crore rupees and 2,500 crore rupees. The public issue consists of a fresh issue of equity shares worth up to 500 crore rupees and an offer of sale for up to 14 crore equity shares by promoter and selling shareholders as per the draft red herring prospectus. Bajaj Allianz loses 110 crores due to fraud. Bajaj Allianz has alleged that owners of 21 commercial 4 and 3-wheelers in Lucknow have got their vehicles insured as 2-wheelers in the last 1 month and paid less premiums, resulting in loss of 110 crore rupees to the company. The company claimed it suffered huge loss amounting to lakhs due to fraud, which was found during an audit. The company suspects it to be handiwork of an all-India level gang that uses an online portal for getting vehicles insured. Bajaj Allianz head Vikas Dev said that the fraud is pan-India, in which 1.36 lakh 4 or 3-wheelers have been registered at 2-wheelers, causing a loss of around 110 crore rupees to the company and 20 crore rupees to the government as GST. PSU insurers may need up to 8,000 crore rupees for higher wages. Public sector non-life insurance companies will need to raise around 8,000 crore rupees to meet statutory capital requirements after paying out the 12% wage increase notified by the government. Apart from New India Assurance, the 3 public sector insurers, National Insurance, Oriental Insurance and United India Insurance, are already short of capital, as the companies must pay not just revised wages but the arrears. Since August 2017, the expenses will skyrocket, and that will put further pressure on profitability and solvency. IRDAI mulls longer tenure general insurance products. IRDAI is said to be exploring general insurance products with longer tenures and has written to the general insurance companies in this regard and formed a working group as well with representatives from the industry. The insurance regulator is looking at whether the insurers can increase the tenure of the general insurance products such as motor, health or property so that the customer benefits, said a senior private sector insurance executive aware of the development. Supreme Court rules Consumer Forum can't order forensic test of surveyor's report. The Supreme Court recently ruled that a consumer forum is primarily concerned with an allegation of deficiency in service and cannot subject the surveyor's report to forensic examination. A bench of Justices Hemant Gupta and V. Ramasubramaniam said, once it is found that there was no inadequacy in the quality, nature and manner of performance of the duties and responsibilities of the surveyor in a manner prescribed by the regulations as to their code of conduct, and once it is found that the report is not based on ad hocism or vitiated by arbitrariness, then the jurisdiction of the Consumer Forum to go further would stop. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. Tata AIA ties up with medics to offer specialized critical illness services. Tata AIA Life Insurance has partnered with Medics, a global company specializing in medical management solutions, to provide Tata AIA customers with access to a local and global network of certified medical specialists to manage their medical treatment related to serious illnesses. This service is available to policyholders who have taken eligible life insurance products such as term, savings, and pension plans. Half vehicles are uninsured, says IRDAI chairman. IRDAI chairman Mr. Debashish Panda has said that close to half the vehicles in the country continue to remain uninsured, which is a cause of worry. Speaking at the Insurance Summit in Mumbai, IRDAI chairman asked the insurance students to come up with innovative and tech-enabled ways in which India can cover up the 83% protection gap. The second area of focus should be product simplification and innovation. Tech-based coverages and region-based coverages have to be looked into because one-size-fits-all is no longer applicable, said Panda. Birla Institute of Management Technology hosted 6th BIMTech Insurance Colloquium on the 7th of October 2022 in Mumbai. The theme of the conference was fostering sustainable and inclusive growth, value creation through building trust, ESG and customer centricity. In the event, Mr. G.N. Bajpai, former chairman of SEBI and LIC, was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award. Here are some highlights from the event.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The day of reckoning has really come. A momentous day for us. It will go down in the history of BIMTech as one of the most memorable days. We are honoring Mr. G.N. Bajpai. If I call him giant, that will be irrelevant. If I call him titan, that will be irrelevant. I do not know what I should be calling.
Now may I request Professor Dr. Anupam Verma sir to present Mr. G.N. Bajpai with the Lifetime Achievement Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, please close your hand and give him a standing ovation.
This was all from the Online Insurance Times news desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.